Hi, my friends. Welcome to my second vlog. In vlog 1, I showed you the details of how I create a work of art. Surely you will be curious about how I came up with the idea for that work. So in this video, I will show you how to come up with an idea for a wood slice painting. Before starting this video, I hope everyone will support me, give me a like, and subscribe to my channel to give me more motivation to make more videos. Let's embark on making a work of your own art. Preparation part. Tools needed to paint on wood slices. First, acrylic color. You can find it at any paint shop or grocery store. Second, a paintbrush and spray bottle to protect the product's color. Third, a wood slice that has been sanded. 2. Implementation part. There are 5 steps to drawing on a wood slice. Today I will guide you to do on the topic, symbols of peace, love, and the beach. Step 1. Sketch the pattern on the wood. In this step you do a little carefully, it will be easier to draw on the wood. Step 2. Start drawing the big textures first. Draw carefully to avoid color smearing. Step 3. Next, draw details and meticulously finish the remaining small motifs. This step is the most important step, please draw carefully. Step 4. Don't forget, spray a layer of paint to protect the durability of your wood slice. Step 5. The last step is to attach the hook and hang your work on the wall or anywhere you want. If you do not have free time to be able to make such beautiful works yourself, you can refer to our products on our website, emeraldblossoms.com. In addition, if you have a need to customize rocks, wood slices, canvas, or terracotta pots, please send us an email. We are always ready to help you create your own works of art. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive our great videos as soon as possible.